Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my craft shop. In today's video, I want to share with y'all a method of no sewing in your signatures anymore. So today I'm going to make it like a little notebook and I'm going to show y'all step by step how to do a no sewing involved to put in the signatures in our junk journals. So the next video, I will take my existing junk journal that I just made and I'm going to convert it in. I'm going to take the signatures out and show you how to make them a no-sew signatures. So get you something to drink and yeah, let's get started, y'all. Thank you and welcome to my channel. Okay, we're going to make the notebook. Oops. Okay, it's going to give me, I don't think that's any more pages. It's notebook 2, notebook 2, notebook 1. Okay, so we only a little notebook. And make sure there ain't no extra pages. Okay. You could take printer paper and make extra pages. I'm sitting here thinking, do I need more than, just 6 pages? Because it's going to go in. No, I think this would be fine. Okay. There's different ways to cut it. I don't know if I want to cut it like that. Found my clear thing. Well, that wasn't a good idea. They're not the same. No, they're not. I cut part of my page off. And save your little pieces. Even the ones that's got this on there, you got the back. And this is the cover. I think I am going to get a few pieces of regular printer paper to put in here. This is my tea dyed and coffee dyed paper. Let's get one of those. And this is my food coloring dye paper. Try to keep it the blue and the cream. I don't have any pink paper. Oh God. Oh, smell the coffee. Ah. Okay, let me see. Probably should have done 2 creams. I don't know. Yep, that's what I'll do. 2 creams. Can't have it. Oh my God, y'all. If y'all could just smell this. It was a flavored coffee. I don't remember what flavor it was, but it was a flavored coffee. And it don't gotta be perfect. Okay, let me see. Yep. I don't think this needs 3. I'm just going to put 2. I forgot to get me an awl. Okay, I'm going to take my littlest brads. Oh, goodness. Y'all, I'm not having as much trouble. It is these Band-Aids. Oh my goodness, they're so big and bulky. Now see? 2 brads. And you're going to make sure you turn them horizontal. See, it's right in the crease. See? There you have your instant bookbinding no-sew. And you see it's tight. And it's not going to come out, it's not going to come loose. And I have an, see how fast it was? I have an instant journal now. I want to thank everybody for coming and checking out my video today. And if you take this technique of putting your signatures in your junk journals and add that to Natasha's at Treasure Books, easiest junk journal ever, then you got the perfect junk journal. See y'all next week. Bye.